In the heart of a Tennessee sunrise, fields of gold, there's no need for disguise. Mother Earth, she carries her own in a holster where seeds are sown. The river whispers secrets so deep, mountains stand guard over valleys asleep. Nature's belt, worn pure and true, every blade of grass, every drop of dew. Nature's holster, it's where life begins. In the cradle of the wind, freedom wins. From the hills to the plains so wide, every breath is nature's pride. Wild horses run through open plains, thunder rolls and then comes the rain. Oaks and pines, they sway and bend, nature's arms, they've got no end. Sun sets like a fire in the western sky. Owls take flight as night draws nigh. Stars come out, a celestial dance. Nature holds the world in a tender trance. Nature's holster, it's where life begins. In the cradle of the wind, freedom wins. From the hills to the plains so wide, every breath is nature's pride. Nature's holster, it's where life begins. In the cradle of the wind, freedom wins. From the hills to the plains so wide, every breath is nature's pride. Nature's holster is where life begins. In the cradle of the wind, freedom wins. From the hills to the plains so wide, every breath is nature's pride. Nature's holster is where life begins.